Okay, Dan Ringwald here with the Personal Power Project, and we have Houston. We've got liftoff. I have Tony Callens. Is it Callens?
Kayas.
Tony Callens.
There you go.
I'm going to have to say that a few times. I can tell. Yeah. And the company is True Electric.
Yes, sir.
And he just got through putting up the wiring for this, did a wonderful, wonderful job, figured out the app to get things turned on and powered on. And are you up for doing this again for somebody else?
Absolutely. Any day.
Okay. Okay. Well, one of the things I want to say is Tony has done a wonderful job in communications. A wonderful job of saying, hey, I'll be here on this day, I'll be here on that day, this is what the equipment is, this is what the cost is. And how long have you been in business?
Going on 3 years now.
Going on 3 years.
Been in the trade just about 10.
But in the trade for 10 years?
Yep.
Okay, excellent. And what is the area that you service, from where to where?
I service, I'll kind of go anywhere, but my normal area is Montecito up to Arroyo Grande.
Oh, that's a long way.
Yeah.
Okay, good, good. Licensed electrician.
Yes, sir.
If you're going to do this, you want to have a licensed electrician. You do it yourself is great until you start getting shocked to death, and then it's not so much fun.
That's what we're here for.
So, you know, when you're looking for homes and you're looking for people to rent to, one of the things that's kind of a little trick in the business is meet them at their car. And the reason for that is if you go to their car and it looks like they're living in their car and there's trash everywhere, not a good sign. Same thing with contractors. I had a contractor came up and the inside of his truck looked like a trash truck. Okay, Tony came up and he's got all this equipment back here, all totally organized. And the thing about Tony is he takes pride in his work.
Yes, sir.
And you know when somebody takes pride in their work, they're totally organized. Tony is very, very organized.
Thank you.
And he's going to do for you what he does for himself. If you look at his stuff and you go, man, this guy's organized, he's on top of it, that's the kind of job he's going to do for you. So Tony, I just want to thank you so much.
Absolutely.
For the job. Well
course.
done. And oh, by the way, I think there's some cash in there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So we're good. He sticks with what he says. He does what he says he's going to do. And, you know, one of the things, we had another electrician come in here and he goes, there's not enough room to put a 2-inch in here, Dan. This stuff is all in the way. And we'll just stick a 2-inch. That'll be good enough. And I thought, good enough for who? Good enough for you? I really would like to have a 2-inch in. Tony came in here, he looked at this and he goes, Dan, where the water heater is comes out over here, and we're going to take that line out anyway, so we'll just feed it back through and we can put the 2-inch on this side. Now that's creative thinking, where another electrician who is licensed couldn't even see that, didn't even bother to think about it. And Tony, you made me very happy.
You want to show the people the inner workings of this?
Yes. So this is how good and clean his work is. You can see it's very organized. And we've got lots of circuits to go. Each one of these circuits could be 1, but you can double them up to 2. You could actually put 24 circuits in this 12-circuit breaker. So we're going to have Tony come back at a different time, and you know, he'll be adding things to it. But he did a really, really good, clean job. I am so happy. Thank you, Tony.
You're welcome, sir.
You are incredible.
Close.
So that is the EcoFlow Delta Ultra and backup batteries, the Smart Panel 2, and we are good to go. The water heater's going. We got an outlet here to charge up the car, and so we're good. I just want to thank you so much. In case you're wondering, this is my house here because we're